We are going to go to PowerPoint and add a photo to a PowerPoint slide. So this is a title slide. If I click New Slide, I have a selection. You can choose any of these. I prefer the one that says Title and Content. That may not be the best one. You may be a master at PowerPoint, but this is how I managed to get by creating PowerPoints. Now we need to find a photo. So let's go to a search engine. We have Google. Google Images may be where you want to look for photos. If you do, make sure that you cite the source that the original photo was in, not Google Images. So I am, for some reason, looking up the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I am not in Google Images right now. I will go to Google Images this way. So now I have a lot of images. And this is not the most academic research essay. It's intended to be fun. So we have a bunch of non-academic sources here. You will see they end with .com, which is not usually an appropriate academic source. But again, this is a little less strict. So I kind of like this photo. It's sort of the shape of my slide, so I have clicked on it. Now, here is how to make sure you have the correct information for the works cited. Click Visit. And then you have the website that you will need to cite when you do the works cited. But for now, we're just interested in the photo. Let's see if we can get it from here. I right-clicked, so I'm back here. I'm going to right-click the mouse, copy image, and then I'm going back to PowerPoint. I'm going to right-click again, and I'm going to paste the picture. And then I can just stretch it if I need to, I think. Yes, I need that to stretch. And usually it works out fine to stretch the photo, but you can play with it and see what you want to do. I like to center mine. You might want to change the background. On your final photo or your final slide, it's convenient to have a label, so that's why I like this version with the add title portion. I can shrink the add title portion. Actually, I just moved it, but I can shrink it the same way I did the last thing. I have to move it again. There we are. So I can shrink it up like that. And then I keep scrolling, sorry. So it goes to the previous slide. So, Leaning Tower of Pisa. And I can center that just the way I would center a title. So I just clicked the centering feature there. I'm going to completely center it over the photo. And that's all it takes. So there is the way to insert a photo. We will talk about the works cited for that photo in another video.